Gary, a lot of coaches ask, will AI replace me?
I'd say absolutely not. AI is a tool, not a competitor. It can handle repetitive tasks, create content, and even help with marketing, but it can't replace your empathy, intuition, and human connection. This is big. Think of AI as your assistant, freeing you to do what you do best, coaching and connecting with others.
So, Gary, what really is the first thing that coaches should automate?
First thing I would say is to start with scheduling and follow-ups. These eat up time, don't require your personal touch. Automating them frees you to focus on coaching and building relationships.
So, Gary, can AI really write in my voice?
Yes, absolutely, if you guide it properly. Give examples of your tone, phrases you use, and your audience pain points. AI learns from what you feed it. The better your input, the better the output. Our easy AI system actually gets better the more you use it. You start to train it, it starts to get to know you, and then things really start to flow.
So, Gary, how do we avoid sounding spammy when we use AI for outreach?
That's a great question, Christine. And I would have to say personalization is the key. Use AI to research prospects and craft messages that speak to their needs. Never blast generic scripts. Make every message feel like it's just for them.
Oh, is that how our social media commenter works?
Exactly. Good point.
Gary, how does AI fit in a coaching business?
Great question, Christine. I would say think of it as your back office partner. Content creation, email campaigns, social media scheduling, CRM updates. AI can handle all that so you can stay client focused.
That sounds great. CRM, what does it mean?
Good one. I'm glad you brought that up. CRM is your customer relationship management system. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that don't understand what's a CRM. They hear these acronyms thrown about, and CRM is an important one. Customer relationship management system. This is a must-have for a serious entrepreneur.
That's cool. I'm looking forward to hearing more about that. Gary, I'm sometimes concerned about privacy. What about privacy when using AI tools?
Excellent question, Christine. And privacy is so important. I think you need to choose platforms that comply with data protection laws like GDPR or CAN spam, for instance. You need to avoid sharing sensitive details in AI prompts and always use secure systems for storing client info. For instance, our Easy AI system is a closed system, and we value your privacy very much so.
Gary, I often ask myself, can AI make coaching more personalized?
Absolutely, Christine. AI can analyze client data, track progress, and suggest tailored resources. You still make the final call, but AI gives you insights faster.
So, Gary, a concept I recently learned is ROI. So, how do we know if AI is worth the investment?
ROI is a big one, Christine. Return on investment. This is so important. I think you need to track time saved and revenue gained. These are big ones. If AI cuts 10 hours of admin work a week, that's time you could spend coaching or marketing. ROI isn't just money, it's freedom. System. Check it out.
Wow, I have to try that. Gary, what's the easiest AI for beginners?
I say you need to start with a content assistant. Our Explore AI, which is part of our Easy AI system, is great for images, social posts, emails, and ideas. It's low risk, high reward, and you'll see results fast.
But what about ChatGPT?
Yes, most people think that ChatGPT is a great place to start, and it can be. But if you use it more than occasionally, the costs go up fast. Our users told us that the image quality in our Easy AI system is next to none. And no wonder it's up to 8K. That's big, big difference. The apps include unlimited usage and you get weekly live training with it. The support is what's huge. You don't get that support with the other big players in the business.
Wow, that's a no-brainer.
Yeah, right. That's why our users are all so happy.